had another question come in, and it's something that I just wanted to touch on real quick. And it says, if your CTPAT ISA is C participant, would we have quote unquote immunity when using S to save on MPF on an already duty-free product? AKA, we don't have to deal with someone at a port who decides to challenge the S claim. So from the standpoint of immunity of, yeah, you're not going to have penalties, yes, because that's the point of, right, that ISA program, importer self-assessment. You're identifying issues within your own supply chain, but that doesn't immunize you from the idea of, if your tariff number is wrong, something needs to be changed, that you could ultimately still have to pay that because there's a larger issue at hand.